So welcome back to a new video. I hope you all are going well. And today we are going to learn and we talk about how to turn off the dog mode on YouTube. If you want interested to remove the dog mode and enable light mode or a default mode on your YouTube app, then this is very simple and easy. But how can you do that? This is very simple, but before starting the tutorial, I request all of you do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical tips, tricks and secret hacks. Just open your YouTube app, then go down on profile button, click here. After that, click on the top right corner setting option at the top like this one. Alright, then just go here, general, click on generals, then go down here. You see an option appearance, click on that. Then you must need to select the second one or first one if you want to turn off the dark mode or enable light mode or device theme. So whatever you select, I select light mode. Then this is very easy, and the light mode is enabled to your YouTube app. I hope this tutorial is very short and helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.